Hello and welcome to the online English classes for grade 11. Today we'll be discussing the next part of the story that we started in the last video, that is chapter 3, Ranga's marriage by Masti Venkatesha Iyengar. So let's continue the story. So we were on the part of the story when Ranga sees Ratna at Ramarao's house and he falls in love with her and he wants to know more about the girl. But when he comes to know through his friend, the narrator, that is Shama, that she is already married and she was married a year ago, which was mocking, humorous way of Shama seeking the attention of Ranga and to know if he was interested in the girl, that is Ratna. So what happens after that is, now because Ranga was very impressed with her singing and beauty and he started inquiring her, but Shama, he responses by saying that she is already married, and this all disappoints Ranga a lot. So next day what happens is, Shama, he goes to a village astrologer and teaches him to who is also astrologer, who is also known as Shastri. He tutors him or teaches him to say that to say whatever he wanted him to say. So he teaches and he brings him to Ranga. Now Ranga is sad and Shama, he suggests him to show to that he should consult a very popular astrologer who is a very well-known astrologer of their village, that is Shastri, and he needs to consult him. Then he takes him to Shastri. Then what happens is, Shastri now pretends to make some calculations and all. They start befooling Ranga and they make fun of his situation as he's very serious about Ratna. And what he says is that her name was something found in ocean like Kamala, Pachi, Moss, or Pearl or Ratna. So he is in love with a girl named something. He gives a name associated with Ratna, and now Shama mentioned that Ratna, whom they knew, was already married, but the astrologer, he stuck to his word, know that he would be getting a life partner whose name is Ratna, Pearl or something like that. So what happens is, Shama mentions that Ratna, whom they knew, was already married, and after that what happens is, now when Ranga is returning from Shastri's house with the narrator, what they do is, they stop at Ramarao's house, and inside when they go and they see that now what happens is, he's surprised to see something. What it is, he pretended to look surprised and tells Ranga. Now the narrator, he wants to correct his mistake that he has done by telling him that she's been married for 1 year and more. So now he corrects his by showing his surprise that he even didn't know that Ratna was not married earlier, and it was a wrong information he had got about Ratna. Now he asked Ranga whether the Shastri had indicated was true. Now somehow he indicates that Shastri said to him everything that Shastri told, that his wife or his life partner's name would be beginning with the indication from Ratna or something, Pearl and all. So then he realizes that Ranga now admits that whatever Shastri said was true, and he wanted to marry Ratna, and he was interested in Ratna, and he confesses his love for Ratna in front of his friend, that is the narrator Shama. Then so now Ranga and Ratna get married. They name their first child after marriage. When they have a child, they name the child on the name of the narrator, that is Shama, as he was the one who was responsible for getting both of them married. So all this happens in Ranga's marriage. So I hope the story is clear, and we'll hope meet in the online class. Thank you, children.